I'm pulling into this trucking terminal here to pick up what I think is going to be the greatest attachment that I ever got. That's good. It's fine. Thanks. Check this out. Virnig X30 series XBC42 brush cutter. We have privet, multi-floor rows, all that kind of invasive stuff. And when you're mowing the trail or right along the edge of the driveway, you know, you have that opening. So everything is trying to grow in. That is where this thing is really going to shine. I would say Virnig is the Cadillac of attachments. However, they're actually a lot better than Cadillacs. And I'm sure this will be no different. First job, I'm gonna go down to my mom's driveway. It is just overrun with privet, which is an invasive species, and we're gonna put this thing to work. I just have things going through my head right now, all the different parts of the property and all the places that this can be used. I mean, this is gonna be a game changer. All right, so I'm down here on my mom's driveway, but I wanna give you a good look at this thing before we get it dirty. It's got 3 cutters on it, 3 blades, I should say. Then it has a bunch of carbide cutters on it as well that are replaceable. And obviously, so are the blades. Also has 2 side curtains on it that are removable. I'm gonna leave both of them on. Now, this is pretty cool right here. Look at the back of this, right? It's kind of serrated. When I bring my thumb all the way down, it'll come to about here. And I can bring this in some. So like, say I'm out working on the trails and there's logs or trees in the way, I'll be able to use my thumb, pick those up and move them. All this stuff that's still green this time of year, that's all privet. That is an invasive that just takes over everything. I think privet comes from Asia, where most of the invasives come from, but it may even be in Europe as well. I'm not sure, but it's been here for a long time. And I'm going to have it begging for mercy here in just a bit. It's this privet that can be challenging because, you know, when you're mowing along the driveway, you can't get to the top of it. And it could be 15, 20 feet off the driveway and it grows over this way. With this mower mounted on the excavator, I can just reach over there and just grind that stuff away to like nothing. But I'm tired of talking. I want to get started. right, so I ran this about 2.5 hours yesterday, and I left the machine down here, but it's incredible. I'm starting to get onto it. The learning curve, it's not real steep. It's pretty easy to figure out how to run it, but how to run it, you know, efficiently can be a different story. Oh yeah, this thing, like I said, Virnig makes really, really good stuff. Get all this stuff. You can tell when I'm not as familiar with an attachment. I don't talk as much when I'm running it because I'm kind of concentrating on what I'm doing. Just got back up to the wood yard, and even though I hate to do it, I'm going to take the brush cutter off the excavator. I got to put the bucket on and finish up the build site out there at the clearing. But once I'm done with that, probably in the next 2 days, I'm going to put this back on and do all of the trails. I mean, there's probably 2 miles of trails that need cleaned up, and this is the perfect attachment for it. This thing has exceeded my expectations.